Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this seat here for forklifts or tractors. So this features kind of a nice foam padding here. Let's get it out of the box here and then we can kind of check it out. Okay, we got those two. Then we have some additional pieces. I'll be assembling this also so we can check it out. Some nice armrests here. This has a good like industrial type feel to it. So some solid metal there for the armrest, and this is made out of that, what's that material? It's that kind of plastic. It's like the material in like they use in cars and things like that. It feels like it's pretty nice. Then over here we have, looks like the support for that. I'm gonna be, like I said, I'll be assembling this real quick and show you guys what it looks like. Let's see here. It's supposed to stay on there. Looks like the plastic is, I don't know if this little ring is supposed to stay on here or not. Looks like it goes around there, perhaps. Anyways, I guess this plastic is, maybe we'll just leave that on there for a little while. But this is the seat portion. You can see it's got a nice comfy thing there. Also looks like it's got this adjustable spring on the bottom. We'll figure out more. Looks like it'll be able to slide back and forth where you're putting this in. Okay. And then here is the backrest portion. Once again, we have this nice little seat cushion here. So not a super large seat, but it's just small enough to give you some decent back support. And with the armrest and things, should be comfortable, but not super big, so it'll actually fit where you need it to go. So let's go build it and show you guys. Sit here, and then, oh, it does lean back. That's kind of nice. We got our little chairs here. You can lean back like that. It's got a little armrest here, so you can sit in your little tractor and move around. So that is pretty cool. Got a nice, that's actually kind of comfortable. Some kind of rubber, rubberized foam there. So not too difficult. I made it look a lot more difficult than it actually was. If you had an impact driver with a thing on there, you could just, you'd be done in a couple minutes. But pretty cool little chair here. It's comfortable. Like you can see, it's got a lot of padding there. It's actually pretty nice. And then these are, seems like fairly sturdy. Like I said, it's mostly metal with the padding on there. So, okay, my friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.